Sorry for a little delay. Let me configure everything. Okay. Should be working by now, right? Okay, I can hear myself. Let's start some music. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's continue where we stopped last time. I asked questions on forum, and this got resolved, and changes were pushed and released. So I had to update version, and we will see and address some bugs that we met earlier. And to be honest, let me recap what we did, because I don't remember all things. Yeah, we were setting up instances and we cut the queue, but I'm looking for one specific thing. Okay, we were doing that stuff with like push things. Yeah, we had some problems there. Yeah, so we need to work on that. Okay. And here we had problem that too many sound objects were populated. So we will address that, but that's not the worst thing among all. The worst thing is that I actually discovered a terrible bug. It's literally terrible. Look. I hope you will be able to hear it. If I start shooting and rotating, you will hear how the sound travels from left speaker to the right and vice versa. It's actually not that noticeable in headphones, but it was very noticeable on speakers. Alright, so I don't know, does my speaker really support stereo? I don't know. It's kinda strange. I mean, my headphones. I heard that like really clear when I tried to run it on my speakers, but on my headphones I don't really hear it. What's going on? I don't know. Anyway, let's dive into it, because my understanding that listener is not getting attached properly. So where we go? We will go player. Okay, player camera. Okay, I think it's here. And I suppose that listener is not being rotated. Alright. I think I understand why I cannot hear it in my headphones, because when I use it as a headset to talk, it reduces quality, and I suppose it disables stereo, because right now my headphones in the talking mode, that's why I don't hear it there. But anyway, bug is real, and let's dive into it. Alright, so yeah, touch this, and there is something going on with it. Let's see. Oh yeah, and this I'm lying back. Okay, anyway. Level manager, current level, dependencies, managers. Oh, where is it? It's not in dependencies. Okay, it's getting probably it's getting initialized somewhere else. Level, okay, level manager then. Okay, it's getting initialized. Okay, it's probably even easier. It's on much higher level. Okay, and audio engine, listener. Yeah, so rotation is not getting updated, but okay, it doesn't allow me to do that, but it's getting updated, but Okay, it's getting updated. When I don't understand what's going on. Does it have something like parent? No? Okay, that's interesting. When I don't have idea why it's happening. I need more experiments with that. I probably will create playground. I will try to reproduce. Let's see something here. Where is the listener? Audio engine. Yeah. Create audio engine, I think. What does it return? Okay. Oh, okay. So, and it has listener, right? And this thing. Okay. When I don't understand, but something is definitely broken there. Okay, then let's proceed with our part for now. And this list to new audio engine. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, what we have here? We can filter that by name. Have multiple pickup sounds. Because we picked it up. Okay, we get some songs reinitialized. Yeah, let's fix this nonsense. 92. And let's maybe filter. Okay. My quiz. Okay, so okay, pick up sound, okay. And if we pick it up, okay, we have one hit because it was pushed. Yeah, it's getting populated, and that's not right. So what's the cause of that? If we go to weapon class, okay, this is where it's getting created first time. Let's ensure that it doesn't go here. Actually, let's do it from browser. Okay, so we should be here at the beginning of everything, and we should not go there anymore. Yeah, we are not here, which is good, but where we are getting additional instances. That's interesting. But let's try here. Okay, it does coming from here. Okay, imported mesh. This name, key and sound, this is where the key is this weapon sounds. Let's see where it's getting called and accessed. Okay, this. Ah, okay. Okay, I found it. Okay, we don't need sound here by any means. We just play instance at certain spot and Okay, here is max instances 1. Okay, this should fix the problem. But I'm not sure that it will be working as expected. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. That's why we did it. Okay, instead of this, let's try something. Let's try something else. Has pickups sound play, but and like this. Okay. Okay, let's try with play, then later we'll try with push. Try to do something bizarre. Okay, we have instance limit 1. Let's see how it will go. Okay. Now let's unlock. Let's see how terrible it will be. Okay. Limiter definitely working. And okay, maybe let's try 4. Okay. So now we will do something else. Now it will probably, let's check. Let's see how many times it will hit. Four. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. But it should hard limit playthroughs by 4, yeah. So now let's replace this with push. Okay, we have limiter 4, and if we go to audio manager, push, okay, it should hit that no more than 4 times, but the sound is super, this sound is super short, so okay, it's limited with 4. Despite that we push too much, this condition in audio manager, yeah, it holds strong. Okay, yeah, I guess we solved that problem. So we can see that here 11 sounds, and let's go here, still. Okay, very good. My god. Wait a second. Okay, so monster. Okay, it's been here. So I want to check that we are not cloning any sounds. How we did this in Weapon. Actually, let's check Weapon first. Okay, I suppose it's no. Check this. Init sounds. Okay, here is. I can do 4. And okay, we don't clone here, we just play. And most of them goes to imported monster anyway. Yeah, we just push. Okay, that's fine. And we had okay, sounds here, but okay, we should just play here. That's fine, and we had problem with glass, right? problem was that each class creates own sound, and now we can fix this problem properly because we have this audio engine sounds, right? So sounds. Okay. And let's see if it will work. So if this audio manager gets sound, when do something else, do this. What's going on with Visual Studio? Why it does such stupid suggestions? I don't know. But if this exists, then we're assigning this, but let's do it differently. Let's destroy sound. What the hell is that? I guess it's updated version of Copilot, which is more annoying. Okay, so this we're getting destroy sound, we request. If it doesn't exist, we'll create it. Okay, it should be like this. And yeah, let's go and try it. Okay, we still have 3. Because it creates like a sync, I guess. Now let's not do this. Let's go here. So okay, it has it. Let's go from scratch. Okay, it doesn't exist. Still doesn't exist. And still, yeah, that's why. Actually, should do this. But it will not change anything. What we can do instead, we can preload it somewhere somehow. So if we go here, okay, this is glass. Yeah, it's dynamic. So what we can do, we can just invert it here. So practically we can do something like this, then we go like here. So, and yeah, that's not needed anymore. Okay, and we can go here and yeah, with destroy sound, just extract from where. Okay, so we can, yeah, now we have only one instance, and if we try to crush several of them, yeah, like only one hit is called, which is good, but this is stupid for sure. If for every weapon we initialize sounds like asynchronously, we need yeah, every weapon has own package and we don't share the sound, but for this one we do. And I probably do want to just pack it into like resource loader. Let's just do it. So resource loader, we can just let's collapse it. Weapons, objects, that's also odd thing to do. Okay, let's just do sounds here, because our sounds will have different parameters. We can do we can do separate functions. Last destroy sound. Last destroy sound. This. And we probably want to do it early on. And do it here. Go here. We pretty much copying this here. Like this, okay. And this one is promise itself, right? Let me see. Let me see what's going on here. Plus destroy sound, and we go to resource pack. Where is it? Then add separate space. Okay. Yeah, it's not function. Why it's not? Because we didn't save. That's why. Okay, still something wrong. And I messed up here. Okay. So let me see what is P. Promise still pending. Oh, okay. That's good. So we can just return that stuff immediately and don't worry about anything. So we can set our number here. We can tweak parameters if we want. And here we don't need this nonsense anymore. So, and if we go here, okay, we getting nice shared sound. And let's check that it's loaded. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, that's it. So it's guarded. Works just fine. Let's do all the tests. So we load it here, checking Here is only one. Okay, all 3 glasses, but only one hit was triggered. But we probably want some extra on it, so we will do 4 as well. So how does it sound now? Actually missed. I wanted all 3 if I can. And even distance model is working because the last one is pretty quiet. The only problem that now we play the same instance of the sound, and I'm worried that when it jumps from one class to another class, we can like really hear that sounds traveling before stop playing. But does it really happen, and does it bother us that much? Oh wow, I can go through glass for some reason. What's happening? It's probably tooting, but I specifically installed bounding box on it. It's probably just tooting. That's okay, I guess. Let's keep it as it is, and we can load shared sounds here. And I'm wondering, for example, if we get some weapon, let's say, okay, this. Yeah, it's on one hand, it's nice that we have sounds inside each weapon, so we can like tweak it where it belongs. But on the other hand, we can reload it and kinda offload this logic and weird hanging hanging properties. We can just like literally vape on audio. Instead of here, we just here request everything what was preloaded. It will make this file for weapons and for monster lighter, but it will clog this file, but we can create sections. We can even like split both methods into multiple files, probably. Okay, this is something to think about. After all, our sound is an external asset, and it kind of makes sense to handle it centralized. So in case if we want to change our asset, we will not go all over all our files. Yeah, that's probably not a bad thing. And if at some point we need multiple instances of sound, yeah, we can clone it inside our particular classes. So yeah, let's create a region here. It will be sounds. But I will probably create separate sections for environmental sounds, for monster sounds, for weapon sounds. So yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, like this. Okay, I guess we solved this thing. Have some ideas how to simplify some of the files and switch more into like asynchronous loading. And yeah, through that files we can determine which level should load which assets. So we will not load everything, we will load only the things that are required per level. And it all will be preloaded, so the game will run smoothly even if internet cut off. Yeah, we can dive deeper into this on the next streams. For now, let's go through everything. Okay, remove clone. Okay, we teleport this. Okay, it's fine. We're using same instance here. Okay, that's all. That's all fine. Resource loader, yeah, just one more section. Audio manager, yeah, we have public property now. Here, okay, makes sense. Okay. Here, just like this. It's fine. It's fine. And yeah, if we will decide to change and will want to have every class had a separate instance, so sound will not travel from class to class in case of multiple classes, we can just add clone just right here, and that's it. So we actually added some flexibility here. What else I wanted to check here? Okay. What I did here? Okay, so it's yeah, okay. It's like private thing is the set. Wait a minute. I maybe have some idea about it. Let me check. So has sounds. Okay, but if I do like this, goes set. Yeah, but we need to search by name, and in this case it will not help us. If this thing was a map where the key is the name and the value is the instance, then yeah, then it would make sense probably. But if it's just set, we still need to search inside it and just do like entries, right? So even like this. Item selector. Okay, I'm getting confused now. Okay, first is an array of two things with two similar sounds, right? But if I do like this, it's just one. Okay, maybe it's like entries iterator makes it weird. Just put both key and value, same thing. Yeah, I think it's just JavaScript. It's fine. Okay, so since we need to search by name anyway, we can actually got rid of this because sounds now flat array. Yeah, that's what we can change. And just to double check, just to be sure, yeah, okay, it still works. Yeah. Okay, we don't need this. And yeah, we querying sounds directly. So yeah, we don't need to do this nonsense anymore. Right, okay. How do we call it? Fixed. I guess. Okay, we're good with this. All right. So for the next time, what we need to do? We need to figure out this stereo bug. I will try to reproduce it in the playground. I don't know if you can hear it on YouTube. I will also double check it. So this thing, but I will probably save it not for the next stream, but for the stream after the next one, because for the next one I have something else. I will tell you more on the next stream. However, maybe, who knows, maybe we will pack both things in the one stream, because the thing that I'm going to do on the next stream is fairly simple. Or maybe we'll do vice versa. Maybe we first fix this sound issue and then do the following part, because those need to be done both before we push to prod, I guess. Alright, that's it for today. See you in 1 week. Yeah, have a nice upcoming week.